Alright guys, let me go ahead and move some of this clutter. For this project we're moving into the joystick, so we no longer need the breadboard. The buttons we are not actually going to use for this particular video, but we will coming up. The one thing that I wanted to mention before I get into the actual wiring of the joystick is, one of the things I always do is I have a notebook by me all the time, and I'm always writing down notes. So that's something that maybe you should think about as you're working through things that don't work, things that do work. So you always have a reference, because you never know what wires or things you're going to have at your hand, and who knows when you want to go back and do something. Okay, so here's the joystick. This comes from Adafruit. It is a nice, sturdy joystick, well constructed. And we're going to go ahead and wire this up here onto our Raspberry Pi. So there's 5 pins, as you can see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to take this one clear on the left, and this is going to be our ground. This is what's going to give us some power once we actually activate the joystick. So this one, going here, we're all right, plugging it right here on the ground, as you can see, bottom right hand corner, as far as you can get in the corner. Brown one here. Okay, this is pin 13. All right, so if you were to look, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 in from the inside. Pin 13. We then have our middle wire, our white one. Okay, we're going to wire that in. This goes to 19 right here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 in, number 19. I then have my 4th wire. Okay, this is my gray one. This one's going to get in pin 5, right here. And then the last one, the 5th one, goes to pin 6. So if you're like me and you don't have all the GPIO pins memorized, one thing that I do is I always have it pulled up right here on the website. I can always reference. Like I see, I got 5, 6, 13, 19, and then the ground. So that's it for the wiring. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Scratch program now. And what we have here, just like before, we've got our when clicked, we got our broadcast to go ahead and turn it on. Then we got our broadcast to configure 5 in, broadcast 6 in, broadcast 13, and 19. These are the GPIO pins that we just wired right here on the Raspberry Pi. And then we're just running infinite block with 4 if statements to see what's going to trigger. So anytime we activate this, this is going to send a signal of 0 or a value of 0, and that's what it's going to do. So if it recognizes the 5, it's going to go left. If it recognizes 6, right, 13 is going to go up, and 19 is going to go down. And we'll see that right here. So if I go ahead and boot this up here, and you can see the joystick and the sprite. If I click up, he says up and he goes up. If I go right, he goes right. We got down and we got left. And we can go around in a circle. We can see right there, he's moving. Okay, we're going right and we're going down. So there it is, very quick. How to wire and do the Scratch program to use the joystick.